Some things I never thought I needed. Some things I never thought I'd have. As if they are too hard to believe in. The moment I ever called them mine, I knew exactly what I was calling. I knew exactly what to say. There will be nothing to get over if I just let it slip away. So I guess I'll try. Yet another close call from my eyes. Some days I think of what I had then. Some days I want them again. We were happy. What if we've been as good as we get? So I guess I'll try. I can never hold down. Heard it was a close one. Waste my time. Never really knew how. Heard it was a close one. So I guess I'll try. Yet another close call from my eyes.
If you could see your sadness wrapped around a frame, would you see yourself? Someone that you used to be before you was buried in responsibility. I know it's hard to see all the things that you could never be. Written in the stars and embroidered in your name, but never was. How it hurts to know. Where you refuse to be, stalks you in your dreams and makes bitter what is sweet. You grind your teeth at night, a never-ending loop like you're on trial. I know it's hard to see all the things that you could never be. Written in the stars and embroidered in your name, but never was. How it hurts to know. The summer came for us and showed us what we lost. And I'm writing to myself about the things you said, about the things you said. The slowness creeps towards my feet within the light that morning brings to clean the remnants of a dream. Shadows you cannot see, I brush aside. You're on my mind this week. The lows are deep. I fall into the refuge that is sleep. There's nothing in my view but images of you 1,000 times. The summer came for us and showed us what we lost. I'm writing to myself about the things you said, about the things you said. Love is nothing but an echo, a memory you can't deny. Life is nothing but a vision, a play without a stage, an ocean without waves. The summer came for us. I remember what I lost. And I'm writing to myself about the things you said, about the things you said.